Dear colleagues, today we will install the sensors connecting to the data collector and start the measurements. So with the data collector or vibration analyzer DC-23 we have two accelerometers for the two channels and we have a tacho probe. The tacho probe here is a photo tacho probe. It has two infrared diodes, one emitting, one receiving. So one emits infrared, reflects from the machine and receives by another one. So to install it, first we install it on a magnetic base. We put it like this and put it on. Now it is quite rigid. Now we unscrew this bolt and this becomes flexible and we can put our tacho probe next to the rotating part of the shaft and fix it. The other bolt that we have to fix is this one, and finally we fix it with this one. So now it is fixed. What you should pay attention at? First of all, never install it very close to the machine. It will not work correctly. The good distance is about 2-3 centimeters, maybe 1 inch, and give it some angle. Never put it perpendicular. Just give it some angle, maybe about 30 degrees. So something like this, and we screw it. So now it is stable, and we can put the cable so that it doesn't bother our measurements, like this, and we connect it to the data collector on the tachometer connector, aligning the red dots to red dot, and click it in, like this. What else we need? We need to make a mark for this sensor. So it can work from any reflective mark. For example, you can glue a mark like this, or here with this tacho probe we can just draw it in any place, for example here with a chalk. So I take a piece of chalk and draw the mark like this. So it will work from this mark, I think, very well. The other thing that we need to take into account, the direction of rotation. If we are going to make phase measurements, then we need to know the angle of rotation. So we start our machine and we see that it rotates on me. So I will just draw an arrow here, not to forget it. It is quite a good habit. Next we install the sensors, the accelerometers. So we check that the magnet is tight. We install it first on the corner and then we put it flat, like this. We check that it is flat, that it has no movement, no soft foot. The second one, we also check that the magnet is tight. We put it on the corner and do it like this. So it is also flat. We can move it to check that it is flat and doesn't have any soft foot, so that's okay. Now we connect the sensors. One is the green sensor on both sides, green. We connect it to the green channel. This will be channel A or the first channel. Align red dots and connect it. The second sensor is yellow, so we have yellow on both sides. We connect it to here, like this. Now the sensors are connected. We make sure that the cables doesn't bother rotation of our machine, and we will check the tacho probe. Before you do any job, you check the tacho probe. We start our machine, and in the vibration analyzer we go to the applications, and here we have a tachometer's function. So here it presents the signal from the tachometer. So this is a signal from the tachometer, this is the rotation speed that we get. If I will move the tachometer somewhere away, it will not produce any mark. If I bring it to the right position, I get the good marks. I fix my tachometer, and this is the tachometer installation. So if I switch off my machine, you see that the rotation speed changes and it follows our rotation speed. So this is the sensor installation, and we are ready to start any job with the vibration analyzer. Thank you.